everyone. This is Shant Verma from Cambridge International School, Dasuma. So, guys, we have started a chapter retirement of partner, and in this chapter, we have completed, many of topics like how to calculate new ratio, how to calculate gaining ratio, then goodwill adjustment we have did. Then we gone through about accumulated profits, reserves, and losses. Then after that, we have studied the how to prepare evaluation account. And in that video I also gave you some type of journal entry, how to purge journal entries, and try to give a maximum transaction which affect the revaluation and partners capital. So guys, this is a next video, and in this we prepare the partners capital and balance sheet. Means in this we uh, came to know how to solve a proper question. So first we will prepare the revaluation account, which we have studied already. Second, we will prepare the partner's capital account or current account. If question capital is fixed, then we will prepare the current account and the capital account. And third one is the last with revised balance sheet. And this is the last step. Means all step depend on each other. If the revaluation account goes wrong, then partner's capital goes wrong, and then the revised balance sheet will not match. And I hope so you will lose marks in your examination. So please understand carefully all of these things. So process to prepare the partner's capital account. First, take the capital balances from the balance sheet. Means whenever you are preparing the partner's capital account, you have to choose, you have to take the partner's capital balances from the balance sheet, which is given in the old balance sheet. Second, we will take a revaluation profits and losses. We have already prepared the revaluation account. If profit is come, then show the credit side of partner's capital account. If losses arise, then debit side of partner's capital account. Third, prepare the take the balance sheet and choose from profit and loss, advertisement, suspense, goodwill if given on the asset side of balance sheet. If on the asset side, profit and loss, advertisement, suspense, and goodwill is given, these all three are losses. I already give you, and you also already know in the admission of partner chapter, should be show on the as debit side of partner's capital account. Then see the balance sheet liability side. Here all the reserves and profits given. If any reserves and profits given, then distribute among the old partner old ratio on the credit side of partner's capital account. Then goodwill adjusting entry means whenever partner bring the goodwill, then whenever partner retire, we will pass a journal entries like gaining partner's capital account to sacrifice retiring partner. So we will post this entry to the partner's capital account on the both side, because gaining partner debited so should affect the debit side of partner's capital, and retiring partner credited, so retiring partner's capital should be affected on the credit side. So after that, transfer the balance to the retiring partners to the lot account. So these are the 6 steps we have to follow. First, capital balances from balance sheet. Second, revaluation profits and losses. Third, balance sheet asset side. Here we will see a 3 items: profit and loss, advertisement, suspense, and goodwill. These 3 items should be, if given, then put on the debit side of part. If not given, there no such treatment is required. Balance sheet lives have all the reserves and profits shown the credit side of partner's capital. Then goodwill adjusting entry. We already have a proper lecture on this. And transfer the balance of retiring partner. This is very important. If partner retire, we will not pay until unless question specify. We will transfer the whole balance of the retiring partner to the loan account. So then goodwill. This is a wrong entry. So partners capital accounts look like this. First, capital balances. Second, valuation profits or losses. This is the balance sheet asset side item. If appear on that, then we will transfer the debit side of partners capital. Then reserves and profits transfer to the credit side. Then goodwill adjusting entry, gaining partner to sacrificing partner, and then we will transfer the balance of the retired partner to the loan account. So I give a just brief on a overview of the partner's capital account. So first, that is from the balance sheet liability side. Second, valuation debit side means the profit we have shown on the revaluation debit side will transfer to the partner's capital account. So these are the balance sheet liability side item, these are the balance sheet asset side item. So let us solve, first one illustration so that you can understand well how to solve the questions. So I have taken a one illustration. So let's see how to solve. Okay, guys. So guys, this is the illustration number 25, page number 6.23, जिसे मैं आपके सामने करके दिखाऊंगा कि how to solve the retirement of partner long questions. So let's first read out the whole questions, what is given in the questions. Firstly, we will see that ABC are partner in a firm sharing profit in 3:2:1. Their balance sheet as at 31st March 2020 was as follows. If we gone through asset side, cash in hand, cash at bank, debtor, stock in hand, machinery and building, and then creditor, journalism, capital balances. Here on the asset side, three type of undistributed losses are given, like goodwill, that is old goodwill, profit and loss, and advertisement suspense. So there is no such item here. C retire from the firm on 1st April 2020. It was agreed that amount due to him will be paid on 30th June 2021, means of next year. And it was also agreed to adjust the value of assets as follows. और क्या क्या adjustment है वो भी देख लेते हैं. Provide for doubtful debts, this at the rate 5% on debtor. Reduce stock 5%, that is also a loss. And machinery, that is also a loss. Building is revalued 151, and here is a building 140. So we can easily see that there is 11,000 profits. And goodwill of firm is 1,50,000. Then we will pass adjusting entry. And AB will continue to carry the business and share profit in equal proportion. That is 1:1 is new ratio is given in our questions. And pass necessary journal entry and prepare the necessary accounts. So we have read out the questions. So this is the format of revaluation I have drafted already. So concept name, that is retirement of partner long question. Retirement of partners long questions. And illustration number 25, T.S. Grewal. So guys, please understand, if you may find any problem you can ask easily. तो सबसे पहले मैंने एक रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट ड्राफ्ट करा हुआ है ऑलरेडी. सो हम यहाँ पर, आपको पता है, दिस इज़ अ डेबिट साइड ऑफ रिवैल्यूएशन, दिस इज़ अ क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ रिवैल्यूएशन, दिस इज़ लॉस साइड, एंड दिस इज़ द प्रॉफिट साइड्स. Okay guys, so firstly we will prepare revaluation account. So first is given is provide provision for doubtful debt 5% on debtor, and debtor is given 90,000, and 90,000 multiplied by 5%, that is 4,500, and it is the losses. To provision for doubtful debts, that is 4,500. Next is reduce the stock by 5%, that is to stock is also a 5% loss, that will come out 3,500. And reduce the machinery by 10%, to machinery 10%, that is 6,000. 60,000 multiplied by 10%, 6,000. Building is revalued 151, and inside the balance sheet building is valued 140. So if we compare the value of building is increased by 11,000 by building, that is 11,000. Okay guys, and next adjustment is goodwill related, and the new ratio is given. So we have prepared the revaluation account. So when we total up, that is 14,000 here, 14,000 here, and that is 3,000 loss, because loss side is more. By loss, transfer to partners capital account, and we have to distribute all the losses between all the partners before retirement in old ratio, and old ratio is given 3:2:1, that is 1,500, 1,000, and 500. So okay, this is we have prepared the revaluation account. If question says that keep pass necessary journal entry, then see, this is the revaluation debit. Okay guys, so revaluation account debit. Okay, and this is credit item to provision for doubtful debts, to stock, to machinery. Account should be right everywhere. So 14,000 here, 4,500, 3,500, and 6,000. Write the narration as usual in the 11th. and there is a profit, and this is the revaluation credit, so revaluation should be credited. Revaluation account and building account should be debited. Building account debited. Okay guys, this is another. Then loss. When you will give the loss to the partners, then partners capital will reduce and partners capital will become debited. A's capital account debit, B's capital account debited, C's capital account debited to revaluation. That is 1500, 1000, 500 and 3000. सो गाइस दिस इज द जर्नल एंट्री. अगर कोई भी दिक्कत है आप मेरे से पूछ सकते हैं. अब हमें क्या बनाना है? पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. So this is the partners capital format. I already drafted that. So firstly, give the name, that is A, B, C, A, B, C. Okay guys. So मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है कि इसको सॉल्व करने की एक प्रोसेस है. कैसे प्रोसेस है वो मैं थोड़ा सा आपको एक बार रिमाइंड करा देता हूँ. ए कैपिटल बैलेंस, सबसे पहले आपको लिखना है कैपिटल बैलेंस. सेकंड रिवैल्यूएशन. गाइस देखिए, I got 100 out of 100 in accountancy and mathematics and business study in my class 12th. तो अगर आप मेरा कहना मानेंगे ना, then definitely you will also get. लेकिन उसके लिए आपको चीज़ों को समझना होगा, कहना मानना पड़ेगा, then you will definitely get a good marks. So capital balance is second, evaluation, profit and loss. Third, balance sheet, asset side, and there is a some item like goodwill, profit and loss, and advertisement suspense, that is undistributed losses. D, fourth point, balance sheet liability side. There is a profits, all profits and reserves. Then goodwill adjustment, next point. E, F, क्या किसी पार्टनर ने कोई असेट ली? एनी पार्टनर टेकन ओवर असेट, any partner taken over liability. These are the point, these 7 point you have to learn carefully step by step, and then question will solve easily. Let's see how to solve. First, capital balance. This will come out from the balance sheet by balance brought down, and the balance sheet is given 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh. So write down 1 lakh, 1 lakh and 1 lakh. Second, revaluation, प्रॉफिट्स और लॉसेस. तो यहाँ पे सेकंड पे ये तो हमें लॉस हो गया था, दैट इज़ द लॉस साइड. टू रिवैल्यूएशन, दैट इज़ 1500, 1000, 500. थर्ड, बैलेंस शीट असेट साइड. यू विल सी दीज आइटम, बट इफ़ आई गॉन थ्रू द बैलेंस शीट, वहाँ पर ऐसा कोई भी आइटम हमारे पास नहीं. अगर होता तो हम यहाँ पे लिख देते. फिर लाइबिलिटी साइड जाएंगे, वहाँ पर हमें एक जनरल रिजर्व है 60,000 का. वी विल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट दिस जनरल रिजर्व between the partners in old ratio, that will 30,000, 20,000 and 10,000. Okay guys. Then next, balance sheet asset side, balance sheet, then goodwill adjustment. For this you have to calculate first gaining ratio. Gaining ratio formula is old new ratio minus old ratio, that is a new ratio minus old ratio. That is very important. A, B, C are partner, and who's retiring from the firm? That is C. C is retire. So we will calculate the gaining of A and B. New ratio is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. That is minus 3 by 6 and 2 by 6. That is old. That will come 0 and that will come 1 by 6. So only B gain. So how will journal entry will pass? B's B's gaining, B's capital account debit to A's capital, sorry, C. only C retiring. So firstly we have to calculate those partner retire his share. जो पहले रिटायर हो रहा है पहले उसका शेयर कैलकुलेट करेंगे. टोटल फर्म की गुडविल हमें गिवन है 150 and C share is 1/6, that is 25. So write down this 25 here and this 25 here. Now post the journal entry into the partner's capital. C's capital account credit. This is the credit side. This is debit side. C's capital account credit. So put C's capital account credit, that is 25. And we will write here by A's B's capital. जनरल एंट्री ऐसी पोस्ट होती है ना हमारी. 20 कैपिटल के डेबिट में 25 टू सीज कैपिटल. सो दिस इज़ द पोस्टिंग. उसके बाद हम चेक करेंगे किसी पार्टनर ने कोई असेट ली, तो हमारे क्वेश्चन में ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. अगर कोई पार्टनर असेट ले लेता देन वी विल शो हेयर. इफ एनी पार्टनर टेक और एनी लायबिलिटी वी विल शो हेयर. देन वी विल कैलकुलेट अ बैलेंसेस. सो टोटल करेंगे इसका 130, 120 एंड देन 1,35,000, 130 and 120 and 1,35,000. And then we will फर्स्ट ट्रांसफ़र दोज पार्टनर रिटायर. जो पार्टनर रिटायर होगा उसका बैलेंस उसके लॉन में ट्रांसफ़र हो जाएगा टू सीज लॉन अकाउंट. सो दिस विल कम आउट 1,34,500. ओके गाइस, एंड रिमेनिंग we will calculate balance. Two balance carried out 1,28,500 and 94,000. So this is the process to prepare the, and this is a neat and clean method you have to follow, then you will get good marks. Otherwise so it's very difficult to get a full marks in accountancy. इसके बाद हम क्या बनाएंगे, बैलेंस शीट. तो बैलेंस शीट आई ऑलरेडी ड्राफ्टेड. फॉर्मेट इज लुक लाइक सेम. सो नाउ शुरू करते हैं हम. इसको डेट देंगे जिस दिन पार्टनर रिटायर हो रहा है, 1 अप्रैल 2020. और बैलेंस शीट को बनाने के लिए आपको ओल्ड बैलेंस शीट को ध्यान से देखते जाइए और करते जाइए. सबसे पहले कैश इन हैंड. अगर मैं ध्यान से देखूं तो कैश इन हैंड से रिलेटेड कोई भी एडजस्टमेंट हमारे सिलेबस में या सॉरी हमारे क्वेश्चन में नहीं हुई थी. कैश एट बैंक कोई भी बैंकिंग ट्रांजैक्शन भी हमने नहीं करी है, कहीं पे बैंक वर्ड यूज़ नहीं करा, सेम आ जाएगा. देन सनरी डेटर. अब बच्चे कई बार ना भूल जाएगा कि एडजस्टमेंट है या नहीं है, तो बेटर इज़ टू carefully see your revaluation account, and revaluation account is given provision 4,500. So 90,000 less provision for doubtful debt, that is 4,500, that is 85,500. Then stock 70, and if you go to the revaluation 3,500 less, so 65,500. Then go on to the machinery. If machine is 6,000 less, that is 54. I'm continuously checking the revaluation side by side. Building 140, if I go through the revaluation account, that is 11,000 increase, 1,51. Then come over here, sundry creditor, there is no adjustment, write down as it is. 16. Capital balances, that is A and B. We have calculated this A, B capital like 1,28,500 and 94,000, and write down the total 0, 0, 5, 2, 2 and 2. Okay guys, and there's one thing, C's loan 1,34,500. So when you total up this balance sheet match, and we have win the race. Okay guys, so इस तरीके से आपको क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करना है. ओके गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच.